Hi, I'm Hal with 120 Pest in Atlanta, Georgia. I just wanted to talk with you and tell you exactly what a thermal heat treatment for bed bugs is, and just give you a brief overview so you can understand it. So when we do a thermal heat treatment, the purpose of the treatment is to raise the temperature of the house to 120 to 140 degrees. At 120 degrees, the eggs and the live bugs do die. They die during the course of the treatment. So when you go to bed that night, you're no longer getting bit or seeing live bugs. The way the treatment works is we bring out specialized heaters. They're stationed outside your home, so no flame ever actually comes into your house. We run ductwork in through the doors or the windows, and then from there we split them into the rooms, and we use fans throughout the house to move the heated air around. These fans actually energize the air, and it moves it into cold spots, and that way we don't have one spot that's really, really hot and the other spot that's still 98 degrees. So the fans are placed strategically to create kind of a whirlpool motion in the rooms to get the air circulating and get the air to all the nooks and crannies of the room. So during the course of this treatment, we do look for cold spots. We use continuous monitoring temperatures that feed us temperatures outside every 3 minutes, and that way we can see the heat of every room in real time. And then we also do walk through the house on a regular basis using handheld thermometers so we can test the different temperature of items such as sofas, chairs, it could be carpet, different things that we feel we might need to test. We also use a thermal imaging camera so we could sweep the room and see the temperature of everything that's in the room. This camera allows us to see the whole room, and we actually do take pictures. So at the end of the treatment, you get 2 pictures. You'll get a regular picture of the room so you can see which room it is, and then next to it you see a thermal image picture of the room, and it actually shows how hot everything in the room has gotten, so you can see that there's no cold spots and that we have reached target temperature in that room. We also do a limited chemical application throughout the house during the treatment. It's mainly applied into wall voids. We remove the switch plates and electrical plates so we can put dust into the walls. That way if a bed bug does get deep enough into the wall to avoid the heat, it does have to come through the dust on the way out, and it does end up dying. Sometimes we do other limited chemical treatments. It really depends on how heavy your infestation is and your particular situation. So when you do call us, we do come to your house and we go through your house, we inspect it, and then we sit down with you and we go over our heat prep sheet. The heat prep sheet covers everything that needs to be addressed before we can do the heat treatment. Most of the prep sheet refers to items that may be damaged by the heat, such as houseplants, food, carbonated water or beer, and things like that. And it takes about 20 minutes to go through the prep sheet, and then usually you'll need a day or two to digest the sheet and figure out what's in your home. But you're still not packing up all the clothes that you own. Everything stays in the drawers, everything stays in the closets. We don't want you really moving things around too much. The only things we really want moved are things that could be damaged during the heat treatment. We go over all that. And the items aren't that many. It's usually things such as we have to remove aerosols and candles and things like that. So if you like more information and we can talk to you specifically about your house, we're 120 Pest. You can look us up, give us a call. We'll be happy to talk with you about it. Thank you.